Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well and staying safe wherever you are. And sorry for not being active on my YouTube channel as I have a 18-month-old baby boy and shooting and editing, doing everything with him at the same time. It's quite difficult for me, but I try to make tutorials and post it whenever I can. So please excuse me for that. And today I'm going to show you this beautiful makeup look which you can carry for your online classes or Zoom meetings, as this is quite simple and you can get ready under 15 minutes. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So I've already prepped and moisturized my skin. First, I'm going to start off with my brows. For that, I'm using this NYX Professional Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Espresso. And this is a very good eyebrow pencil and affordable one. Next, I'm going to set it with the brow gel from Give Me Brow in the shade 4.5. And this makes a huge lot of difference. Then to cover any redness on my skin and the pimple spots, I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Camo Green Corrector pen. And basically it's a retractable pen which is very easy to apply. Then I'm going to use this NYX Conceal Corrector and Contour Palette and taking that orange corrector and applying it under my eyes to cover up the dark circles. Then I'm going to blend everything with my beauty blender, and this beauty blender is from Rare Beauty, which is newly launched by Selena Gomez. Then for the foundation, I'm going to use my Clinique Beyond Perfecting. Basically, this is a 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer, and I'm in the shade Honey. And this is a very good foundation which gives medium to full coverage, and it's so lightweight on the skin that you'll forget you're wearing anything on your face. For the concealer, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer in the shade 312. And this is a very beautiful concealer which gives full coverage and instantly covers up your dark circles. As this look is very basic and minimalistic, so I'm not going to use any eyeshadow palette today. I'm just going to use my regular bronzer from Too Faced, and the color is dark chocolate, and I'm applying it all over my eyelids. And as you can see, I'm dragging that color outwards just to elongate my eyes. The same thing I'm doing with my lower lash line. Then I'm going to contour my nose with the same bronzer, and the brush I'm using is from MSQ. It's their eyeshadow brush, and your eyeshadow brushes are great when it comes to your nose contouring because they are so precise. And little bit I'm applying on my lower lip and cheekbones, and don't forget to contour your jawline. That is really important. Once I'm done with the contouring, I'm going to curl my lashes, and curling your lashes makes a huge lot of difference. It makes your eyes look beautiful and wide. Next, for the kajal, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Life Liner, and I'm going to tight lining my upper waterline and apply the same kajal close to my lash line just to make my eyes look bigger. I'm taking a small blending brush and smoking that kajal out. For the mascara, I'm going to use this Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara, and this mascara is a bomb. I just love how it makes your lashes look voluminous and lengthy. Then to set my concealer, first I'm going to use this NYX makeup fixer, and I'll take little bit on the back of my hand and apply it on my under eye areas till it becomes dry. And this is a very good hack if your concealer won't stop creasing. Then I'm going ahead and setting it with my loose powder from Kat Von D. For the blush today, I'm going to use my Bare Minerals, and it's their peach blush, and this color is so beautiful and it gives that flushed look to your face. And I like to apply my blush from cheekbones towards the brow bone area because it makes my face look lifted. For the highlighter, I'm going to use one of my favorite from Too Faced, and it's in the shade Canary Diamond, and I'm applying it on the highest points of my face. And this highlighter is so gorgeous and it gives that blinding effect. I can't stop using it. Then for the lip liner, I'm going to use my Givenchy, and the color is so beautiful. I'm going to outline my lips and also fill it. For the lipstick, I'm going to use my Kat Von D, and it's in the shade Lolita, and this is such a gorgeous shade. I know there are so many people who just stopped applying lipstick because of this whole corona thing, but that is completely optional and totally depends upon you. So yeah, that's all for today, and you can recreate this minimalistic look very easily for your Zoom meetings and FaceTime calls. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you in my next video.